What's up, athletes? I welcome you to this upper body mobility workout by CureFit. This is Rahul Shetty here, and I'm going to guide you through these fun mix workout. I am sure you're gonna feel nice after these mobility drills. I am really excited to bring you these 5 handpicked workout movement. I will be performing all of them for 40 seconds and with 20-second rest in between. The best part is that you do not need any equipment and you can perform all these workout movements from anywhere, even when you are traveling or from the comfort of your homes. Fitness is something that all of us should make a part of our lives. For all of you watching this video, join me through these workout movement and I will make sure that you will feel amazing at the end of this workout. Without any delay, let's begin our workout. Alright guys, starting with the first movement, we have cat camel, which is gonna help you relax your upper back and your lower back. So starting from beast position, you're gonna place your knees just below your hip, your palm just below your shoulder. Starting from here, you're gonna keep your elbows completely extended. You're gonna round your spine, bring your chin close to your chest, pulling your abdomen inside, get that nice stretch on your upper back, and then you're gonna look up and contract your lower back. You're gonna perform this movement for 45 seconds, getting that good stretch on your upper back and on your lower back. Yeah, let's start in 3, 2, 1, let's go. A good, nice round on your upper back. Stay there for a second, feeling that stretch. Back again. Look up, contract your lower back, stretch your lower back and stay there for a second and keep switching. The range as much as your body allows you to. Try not to go with a full range of motion, but how much ever your body allows you to. Keep moving for 45 seconds, getting that nice stretch. Camel and then to a cat and keep moving. Few more seconds. 3, 2, 1 and we are done. Alright guys, let's move on to the second movement, which is bird dog, which is going to target your core, shoulders and your lower back. Starting from the same position, from here you're going to bring your elbow to your close to your knee and you're going to extend your knees in line with your hip and your arms in line with your shoulders. You're going to perform this movement 20 seconds on one side and then we will switch the side. Alright, let's begin in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Bring your elbow close to your knee, to your opposite knee and then extend. And then hold for a second, getting that nice stretch on your lower back. If you find this difficult, you can bring your fist close to your knee and then you can perform the movement. Keep moving. And we are done. Let's switch side. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Engaging your lower back, activating your core, your shoulders. Keep moving guys. Almost there. Bring your elbow close to your knee, extend your arm, extend your knees. Last 3, 2, 1, we are done. Wow, that was a great movement. Doing it 40 seconds on each side, activating your lower back, your shoulders and your core. Alright guys, let's move on to the third movement. We have kneeling thread the needle, which is going to engage your mid back. I will show you how it's done. You're going to get into that position. Let's perform this movement for 20 seconds on each side. Yeah, you're going to get into that beast position, which is your palm below your shoulders, your knees below your hip. You can place your knees slightly wider for a better balance while performing this movement. You're going to bring your arm inside, reach your shoulder joints on the ground and then you're gonna give a good twist on your mid back. Yeah, we will perform this movement for 20 seconds on each side in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Bring your arm inside and a good twist. 1, keep moving. 2, a great movement to stretch your mid back. 3, give a twist on your mid back, arm in line with your shoulder. 4, and then a twist and let's switch side. 1, 2, 3, exhale when you lift your arm up, inhale when you bring your arm down, 4, 5, and we are done. Wow, what a great movement to remove that stiffness from your back, especially to activate those muscle groups when you're hitting a main workout. All right guys, let's move on to the fourth movement. We have prone swimmers, which is gonna engage your shoulder joints. All right, so you're gonna lie down on your chest, your palm stays on your lower back. Starting from here, you're gonna lift your chest off the floor. Yeah, you're gonna squeeze your shoulder blades and then bring your arm all the way forward, and then you're gonna take your arm all the way back and stay there. You're gonna perform this movement for 40 good seconds, feeling those stretches on your inner joints of your shoulders. Yeah, let's perform in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Palm on your lower back. From here, chest off the ground, you're gonna squeeze your shoulder blades, bring your arm all the way down, just like how you do a swim. It's the same thing. Starting from here, squeeze your shoulder blades, arm all the way forward, back again. Take it back. Keep moving for 45 seconds. Trust me guys, when you perform this movement for 40 seconds, for a couple of sets, you will definitely feel that burn on your shoulder joints. A great mobility movement. Keep moving. Last few seconds. And we are done. Wow. That was a great movement to release that stiffness on your shoulder joints. Alright guys, before we move on to the last movement, I invite you onto the CureFit app and try out a CureFit Live. Here you can work out with many more trainers like me who will guide you in your fitness journey. If you download the app through the link in the description or the first comment below, you will get a free access of 14 days. Let's move on to the fifth movement, which is bent over T-spine rotation, which is again going to engage your mid-back. I'm going to show you how it's done. You're going to stay in that, your feet is going to be just below your hip. You're going to hinge at your hip, stay in that bent over position. Your arm stays in line with your shoulders. Starting from here, you're going to give a good twist by lifting your arm all the way up in line with your shoulder. Twist on your mid-back, back to a same position. And then you're going to switch side. We will perform this movement for 40 seconds, starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hinging at your hip, keeping your knees softly bent. Starting from here, 1, 2, 3, controlled movement. 4, count your reps, hitting as many reps as possible, doing it slow and nice, feeling those muscle groups getting engaged. What a great mobility movements, guys. Practicing these mobility movements consistently is going to help you get those results. And we are done. Wow. All right guys, we are done with this amazing mobility upper body movements, and add this to your personal playlist and come back and do these kind of workouts 4 to 5 times a week for a month. You can repeat the rounds of the workout and perform 3 to 4 rounds to increase the intensity. Trust me, it's going to burn. This is going to help you get that good flexibility and also helps you to get that good range of motion of your joints and muscles. Alright guys, let us know in the comments below how you found this workout. Stay tuned to our CureFit YouTube channel. Like the video, share it across with your friends and family, save the video either in watch later or create a new personal playlist. Subscribe to CureFit channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Cheers guys.